All right, hope everybody had a good weekend. Going to dig into the S&P Futures chart here real quick. We are on the daily. We are looking at a zoom in of the last couple of months. We had CPI print on Thursday, low of 39.54, moved all the way up Friday into 4,001. As noted in the write-up, we have resistance here, tertiary 38.2 at 4,001. We saw price test into that on Friday, and then it closed just below that at 4,001 quarter. A couple things to note here in the blog. It's called Situation 1, and so I'm going to discuss the potential for a washout here. The problem is this is the first test of the 38.2 at 4,001. As such, we would look for this to act as resistance in the near term, at least for a kind of a time delay sideways before another leg up. If not, just for full reversion down. The issue here, of course, is that we are overextended on a shorter term time frame, and the structure below price immediately is not that great. We have our point of control Friday up here at 39.82, and then Thursday down here at 39.12. And as such, if we do lose that point of control at 39.18, we could see a washout down here to retest the 39.18 level, plus the fourth term 6218, as well as the previous high here from back in October. There's a point of control back here, October 27th, here as well at 39.10. So we would expect for this level to be support one, and we would look for that to hold. If it does hold and the bleeding stops there, then it definitely offers option higher than 4,000, which I'll cover here in a minute. If we don't see support at the point of control from Thursday, as well as the 61.8 here, 39, let's call it 3900 to 39.18, then that offers for a complete washout through this entire extension candle up, down here into this cluster of retracements, as well as this box here at 3900 to 3930, which is a major support. We also have the uptrend here from the lows. One sec. From the lows, which we would expect to act as support as well. And so volume node here as well, just below price at 37.70. So really 37.70 all the way up into 38.30. We would expect to see hold here as support, or at least we would want it to hold as support. We do have the actual muscle level all the way down here at 61.8 at 36.91 and a quarter. So even if we do push down and through this, so long as it supports and we see a bottoming tail hammer off this level, and then the recovery, then everything's still all peachy. But honestly, I would expect for the 38 to 38.30 to hold. So that is the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario sets up something like this. We are sitting just below an area that is yet to be retested. We one time frame down from a previous number back here in September. We see the extension candles down, and we've never retested through these. As such, pardon me. As such, there's really no volume in here to act as supply in the short term. So if we do establish over 4,001, we have resistances from extensions at around 40.30, then up into 40.66, 40.80, and then the call wall at 4100. The extension candles on the 4-hour trip all the way back to 41.36, and we also have the downtrend from the all-time highs way back when, sitting here as well at about the 41.40 area as well. So very large node of volume, downtrend, extensions, call walls, etc., etc. A lot of stuff up here that is going to act as resistance when we do approach it. If we approach it immediately, if we just break over the 4,000 call wall, or the 4,000 level at the tertiary 32, and then up into this node, we would definitely expect to see some retracement as far back down as this 3,900 level to start to correct some of this. But really, the question is, which way does it play out? Do we break higher first, or do we come down and test and then move higher? Given how overextended we are, and it's at the tertiary, I would expect for the reversion to be down and then a test up. But obviously, we'll have to see how action plays out on Monday to find out. So that is what I have for the S&P, and we will see how everything goes here coming up very soon. Market opens in about 5 hours. Until then, hope everybody has a good rest to their weekend, and I'll see you back